Hey everyone, it's Akshay and welcome back to Daily Tuition. In this video tutorial series, we will create this Bootstrap 4 website design from scratch. Before we creating this website, you should know the basic of HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. Taking the tutorial series, you will able to design your website much better than the previous one. So if you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, then must click on it because we are creating a series of tutorials, so you will get the notification of every new video. And if you have any suggestion or problem or anything that you want to share with me, then comment me in the video comment section. So see you in the first part of Bootstrap website design tutorial series.